ate bwe tuba tumugoba ate palamenti yonna ebeera involved. Kale ate palamenti yonna mu kumulonda ate tebaamu. Kati njagala ffe tuba tumwegobera. Ffe tubuulira bubuulizi palamenti nti omuntu twamumaze yo palamenti ng'erangirira. Ebyo nnyanguyiza mbeera ya opposition gye tuliko kuba twagala abanajja banguyizibwe obulamu. Ekyokubiri, mulimu ekintu ekikulu ennyo abantu kye bataagala kwogerako abamu. Mu kuba akafaananyi ng'etteeka bwe liri kati, singa ebibiina bibiri bireeta ababaka nga benkanankana, DP neereeta 3 ne NUP neereeta 3, kati leader of opposition tumufuna tutya? Ebyo mbitadde mu tteeka. Kaakati njagala n'ekyo tukifunire amagezi. Kati naye ogenda okulaba buli omwanyo ayagala okunyumya kino, bino ebintu si byakunyumya, bino bya mutwe.
Abali ku ludda oluvuganya abasinga obungi majority tebakuwagira, lwaki olinga abeesibako ate nga byoleeta bigasa?
Saagala beesibako. Kimanenda okwogera kiyinza okulumya abamu, naye wano mu Buganda tulina oba mukisa mubi nti ebirungi tusooka bigaana. Ne toyireti mugwanya bwe yazireeta wano abantu bazigaana, kyova olaba baziyita bumugwanya baba bakuba mbooko zisima. Ne mwanyi bwe zajja wano baagaano zirima baba bakuba mbooko kyebava baziyita kibooko. Kakati na kino kyendeese bajja kigaana bwaba baagala, naye benjogera nabo eri bagamba tuyambe kireete, naye tuli batiitiizi. Kati nze Katonda kye yampa siri mutiitiizi. Ekituufu kiba kiki? Kituufu. N'eddiini bwe yajja tebaagigaana ne batta n'abantu. Kakati kino kirungi nnyo eri side y'opposition, era mbasaba bali ku opposition baleme kola kabampaane, babisome babitegeere, bambuuze, nja bannyonnyola ebintu mbimanyi. Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. Right Honourable Speaker, allow me also to congratulate the Prime Minister. At least this is the first time I've seen her here very happy than ever. Right Honourable Speaker, pursuant to Rule 128 of the Rules of Procedure, I beg to move that the bill entitled The Administration of Parliament Amendment Bill 2022 be read for the first time. 24. Right Honourable Speaker, in compliance with Section 76 of Public Finance Management Act, I think you can hear me clearly. Right Honourable Speaker, I beg to lay the certificate of financial implication for the bill. I beg to lay.
Thank you. The bill is referred to the Committee on Legal and Parliamentary Affairs. Should be processed in line with Rule 129 of our Rules of Procedure.
I thank you.
Thank you.
The administration.
Mr. Speaker, I've perused through the bill which has been laid here, and Rule 117, Sub-Rule 3 requires that there must be a memorandum that outlines the policies and defects in the existing law that must be signed by two laws in this Parliament. They are very, very important. Why do I say that? Section 39 of the Administration of Parliament Act, as amended, requires that there should have been an annual report brought to this House by Parliament. That is not.
Honourable, your issues are very, very clear. Okay. First, you let us not personalize issues. Just raise your concern, and then I guide how we are going to address your concern.
Of financial implication, if the Minister of Finance does not give it to you within 60 days, so I would want the members, if I've gotten the certificates from the Minister of Finance, then they invoke Section 76, where you get the certificate of financial implication by operation of the law.
Thank you. I just wanted to also clarify. So they put in requests for their motions seeking leave to be put on the order paper. And that's why I said I'm going to link up with them and we put you on order paper so that your motions can be heard. Honorable Arion raised several issues. These days after Arion has submitted, then it is such cool. They are so close they can even share a white ant. They are very, very close. Now, yes, just allow me to finish ruling on what my brother Arion raised earlier. Yes, Honorable Arion, on the earlier ruling which I made here, by reading the speaker's letter, which had already been communicated. Before an item is put on the order paper, we ensure it conforms to the requirements of our rules. So the moment that we invoked a rule which my brother Jonathan Adur disagreed with and he respectfully made his submission, we found the motion could not qualify to go on the order paper. Now, that's a ruling of the presiding officer, but our ruling can be challenged in case one is uncomfortable with it, instead of us continuing to argue about it. And yet, I cannot do much now about it when we've already made that ruling. Point of order.
Thank you, right.
I might be out of